Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. So today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. So if you like this video, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Let's start the video. So you can see the first picture. You can see the silver color, wall and all. You can see beautiful silver color wall. You can see very beautiful. This one also very beautiful, the white color decoration and design, looking very beautiful, very good, very nice also, looking very beautiful. This one you can see the bed, the white color bed, the things you can see beautiful. Black color frame and all. The wall also beautiful. Everything is very beautiful. You can see very good, looking very good, very beautiful. So also you can see the floor, wooden color theme floor. The wall also very beautiful, and the bed and all very beautiful, looking very beautiful, very good also. Very nice. You can see this also. You can see the chair black color, and the wall you can see the cotton and all, and the window is there, beautiful window. This one also you can see the floor, the wall. You can see the decoration wooden color theme. The window is there, the wall, everything is very beautiful, very good also, very good design decoration. You can see, and you can see this one also. You can see the blue color bed and all, and the black color frame, the white color things and all, very beautiful. This one also you can see green color, beautiful color, green color, very beautiful. The wall also very good design and decoration. You can see looking very good. This one you can see the beautiful. You can see the classic theme, very beautiful theme, looking very beautiful, very good. You can see the luxury house. This one also you can see the white color wall. You can see beautiful wall. You can see good decoration and design, looking very beautiful, very good. Luxury, expensive also. This also you can see the ever picture I like in this, very beautiful. You can see the bed. You can see the floor. You can see wooden curtain floor. This also you can see the lamp and all, beautiful lamp and all. The up lamp, you can see beautiful things and all, looking very beautiful, very good. You can see this also. You can see very beautiful. You can see you can see this bed and all, and the floor, the wall, and the lamp, and the mirror, beautiful things. This one the walls, the paintings, very beautiful paintings and all, and the floor also silver color floor and all, silver color floor. You can see this one, the fan you can see, and the wall very beautiful, the mat and all very beautiful, expensive. This one also, the wall is very expensive, looking very good also. The decoration is very beautiful, you can see. And this one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the floor and all. You can see very beautiful design and decoration. You can see the everything is very beautiful. This also very beautiful. You can see the side lights and all, beautiful lights and all, looking very good, very good design and decoration. You can see, and it's also very beautiful. You can see the lamps and all, beautiful lamps and all, good decoration and design. Design it is there. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful video. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye. Take care of your